Hi guys, I want to show you my house in my Minecraft. Whoops, I keep pressing the jump button. So here is, whoops, here's my bedroom. I keep... Gosh dang it. And here's the kind of like a book room. And up here, whoops, just a room. I don't know what to put in here yet. Man, I keep pressing the jump button. Sorry about that, guys. And this is another room, which I don't know what to put in here yet. And here, just a little room. Oh. It's another room. Man, I keep pressing the jump button. Oh, I keep pressing the jump button. These weren't here before. I don't know how they got here. The cobwebs, I didn't put them there. Well, I mean, spider webs. Yeah, I don't know how they got it here, but so basically, I don't know what to put in here. I was thinking this would be a library, maybe later, or upstairs. Maybe in here. I don't know. Maybe I'll put the bookshelves in here. I don't know. It's got another room here. Basically, that's how far it went. I'll show you outside. This is my campfire, which I don't know how to work that. This is supposed to be my garden, but I don't think I'm doing this right. So I don't know. But yeah, this is my walls here. I keep all the stuff out, which they still respawn in. I don't know how they do that. So I got a ladder there. Got a ladder here. This is my docks here. Got my boat. My bridge. This is where if animals this is basically the trap if they fall in here, so they can't get me. Yeah, I built this thing here. So the animals fall in. Fall in here. I don't know what you call it, but yeah. But yeah. That's up there. build a tree house up here. But I kind of missed one thing up there. Man. But yeah, I built that. Whoops. See, my tree house. Came much up here. So yeah, hope you guys like it. And see you all later. Bye.